The first audience that is about to see Fast 9 is you.
Good to be back.
We've all been tired watching movies on our couch for a year. Fast 9 is here to bring us all back together, to remind us why we go to the movies.
Really is a strong weave of family in all the narratives. And I know fans flock to the theater to see the action. I think they stay and return to see the story. And the story is about family.
Well, my management said that Vin Diesel reached out and he was talking about a role that on the next Fast and Furious will become a bigger role. And I'm like, why not? You know, I was a little over doing short appearances in films, but I'm like, this freaking Fast and Furious. So I was like, get me there, put me on a plane.
I believe that when somebody is a part of this franchise, they're always a part of this franchise. And so it's very important for me to find ways and opportunities to revisit their characters and to allow their characters to play in the greater mythology. I feel so excited for the world to see the 9th chapter in the world saga. And I truly, 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 truly mean it when I say we hope to make you proud.